Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we'll be discussing polynomials. Polynomial is an expression of the form, as you can see on the screen. If you have function of x equals a plus bx plus cs squared plus ds cubed plus and so on and so forth. If you notice this form, you will discover that the powers of x keep increasing. At the first instance, this particular variable does not have x. The x here is raised to power 1, the x here is raised to power 2, the x here is raised to power 3, and so on. That is how polynomial works. Now, you need to know some certain things. In polynomials, the number which we divide is called the dividend. The number by which we divide is called the divisor. The result obtained is called the quotient, and the number left over is called the remainder. Kindly stay glued to this channel. We'll still do a video, a lesson on polynomial, the remainder theorem. As you journey through this video, you will understand what we call dividend, divisor, quotient. In this video, we may not treat remainder, the remainder theorem of polynomial. We'll take care of that. We're going to be doing that in our next video. Kindly stay glued to this channel for that update. Now, we are going to be solving some questions to understand how to solve polynomial. Very easy, very easy. Just pay attention and you see. You have to divide 2x squared plus x minus 3 by x minus 1, like the explanation we make here. This x minus 1 is your divisor, that is the number by which we divide. Because we are dividing by this, that's the divisor. But this number which we divide is the dividend. But any answer we now get at the end of the day is the quotient. So let's see how we can work with this. So let's say solution number 1. Now, because of the platform we are making use of, let's see how we can work our way around with this. So that our job will be easier. Awesome. So with this, let's see what we can do. Because it operates like our normal long division method. So don't mind my drawing. Let's just manage it this way. Awesome. So our x minus 1 is there, that's our divisor. So let's put our dividend, 2x squared plus x minus 3. So I'm trying to see how we can arrange it to suit our purpose. Beautiful. So any answer we get will be up here, that will be our quotient. So I want you to pay attention as we solve. So it's just like solving your long division method. So you have your divisor out here and you have your dividend in here. So let's see. I want you to pay attention to see the step by step in which we are going to be using to solve it. Okay, this is how it works. Okay, let me put this here as a template. Okay, don't worry, let's see. You start with what you have here. To divide what you have here, you put your answer up here. Then you use that your answer to times what you have here and put it down here. That your answer to times what you have here and put it down here. That is how it works. Okay, let's quickly do that. X. How many times will x go in 2x squared? You have x here. How many times will it go in 2x squared? That is, if you remove x from 2x squared, that means this x squared is 2. If you remove one x from there, so you'll be left with 2x. That's the meaning. You'll be left with what? 2x. So let's see how we can do that. So you'll be left with what? 2x. Beautiful. So we are generating our quotient up here already. Okay, let me come again. X in 2x squared, it will give you 2x. That's what we have here. X in 2x squared, it will give you 2x. So you now say this 2x times this x. 2x times this x, it will give you what? 2x squared. It will give you what? 2x squared. Beautiful. Let me come again. X in 2x squared will give us 2x. This 2x now times this x, it will give us what? 2x squared. Beautiful. Now the next thing is this 2x times this minus 1. 2x times minus 1, it will give us minus 2x. To give us what? Minus 2x. That's simple and as easy as that. Beautiful. So what we are now going to do is to subtract this and this. So let's see how we can subtract. Let's make use of this. Don't mind my line. We want to subtract. Let's use this as our subtraction sign. Beautiful. We actually want to subtract. Okay. Let me see if we can adjust this more. Okay. So let's adjust our quotient. Beautiful. So let's subtract this from this. Okay, let's quickly do that. Okay, 2x squared minus 2x squared. That one is 0. That one has gone. 2x squared minus 2x squared. That one has gone. That's 0. Now we move to this one. X minus 2x. X minus 2x. X minus 2x. This minus and minus will result to plus. By implication, we are now saying x plus 2x. That's 3x. It's just like saying 1x plus 2x. That will give us 3x. Because you say x minus 2x. That will give us what? 3x. Let's just make this as a template. This will give us what? 3x. Beautiful. Awesome. Now, having done that, all we just need to do is to bring this minus 3x down here. This minus 3x, we'll bring it down here. That's the next thing. Minus 3x. Awesome. This minus 3. This minus 3, we are bringing it down. That's what we've done. This minus 3 is down here. So we'll go through the same process again. Let's go. X in 3x, you'll be left with x 3, because if you remove x from 3x, you'll be left with what? 3. You'll be left with what? 3. Don't forget the sign here is plus. There is no negative sign from these two. So x in 3x, you'll be left with what? With 3. Now go through the same process again. 3 times x. This 3 times x will give you what? 3x. To give you 3x. give you what? 3x. Beautiful. This 3 times minus 1. 3 times minus 1 will give you what? Minus 3. Awesome. So let's rule. Awesome. So it's a 3x. Let's minus. Oh, we have to subtract. Awesome. So 3x minus 3x. That one has gone. 3x minus 3x will give us 0. Minus 3 minus 3. Minus 3 minus this minus will give us plus. So you say minus 3 plus 3 will give us 0 as well. So that's our final answer. So now we'll be able to understand that our divisor is x minus 1, our dividend is 2x squared plus x minus 3, and our quotient is 2x plus 3. So this is our answer. Let's quickly dive straight to the second question. It says solution number 2. Beautiful. So we'll go through the same process. This time around, our divisor is x plus 1. Beautiful. Then our dividend is what we have here. A little bit long. Also, don't forget, like we explained earlier, polynomial is usually of this form. The power of x will keep increasing. And that's what we have here. The power of x here is 2, here is 1, there is nothing here. In the same vein, the power of x here is 3, here is 2, here is 1, there is nothing here. So we need to take note of that. So let's draw our line. Let's draw a line. Drawing. Beautiful. Awesome. Let's get some space here because of our multiplication, because of our subtraction. Beautiful. So now we go through the same process like we did in this first question. Let's see what we can do. X in 3s cubed. S in 3s cubed. So if you remove this x from this 3s cubed, you left with what? 3s squared. You'll be left with what? 3s squared. Beautiful. Now you multiply 3s squared times x that you have here. 3s squared times s, it will give you what? 3s cubed. Awesome. To give you 3s cubed. Beautiful. So you still multiply what you have here with this number that you have here. So 3s squared times 1. Always put this sign into consideration. 3s squared times 1 to give you what? 3s squared plus 3s squared. Beautiful. To give you plus 3s squared. Awesome. So the next thing is for you to subtract this from this. So we have our line. Beautiful. So let's subtract. Let's use this as our minus. Awesome. So let's subtract 3s cubed minus 3s cubed. That one will have gone. That will be what? 0. 3s cubed minus 3s cubed. That one has gone. 0. So we move to this one. You need to be careful. Put those signs into consideration. S squared minus, there's no need of calling this plus, s squared minus 3s squared. S squared minus 3s squared. It's just like saying 3s squared minus 1s squared. That's the meaning. It's just like saying 3s squared minus 1s squared. But this time around, the negative is with this 3s squared. So you now say it's just like using smaller number to subtract. You are removing bigger number from smaller number. Your answer will be negative. So if you now say s squared minus 3s squared, you are saying 1s squared minus 3s squared. That's what you are trying to say. So your answer will be what? Minus 2s squared. The answer will be what? Minus 2s squared. Beautiful. Because if you say s squared minus 3s squared to give you minus 2s squared, just bring this plus 3x that you have up here, just bring it down. Plus 3x. This one you have up here, all you just need to do is just to bring it down. Beautiful. So you go through this same process again. So now you have minus 2s squared plus 3x here. You go through the same process again. X in minus 2s squared. You need to put those signs into consideration. X in minus 2s squared. That means if you remove x from minus 2s squared, what will be your answer? Definitely your answer will be negative because of what you have here. If you now remove x from this s squared that is here, you'll be left with only 1x. So your answer will be what? Minus 2x. Are you with me? X in this s squared, that means this x is 2, so you remove 1, you'll be left with 1. This 2 is there in this minus here. Awesome. Now you now use what you have here to multiply both of them. That's the system. So let's go. Minus 2x times x. Let me come again. Minus 2x times x. That will give you what? Minus 2s squared. Beautiful. Minus 2x times x, it will give you what? Minus 2s squared. Awesome. So multiply this and this one again. Minus 2x times 1. Minus 2x times 1 will give you what? Minus 2x. Anything times 1 will give you that thing. Minus 2x. Beautiful. The same process again. You subtract. Beautiful. You subtract. A minus sign will be there. You are subtracting, so you need to take note. Okay, let's subtract. Minus 2s squared minus 2s squared. Let me come again. Minus 2s squared minus 2s squared. This minus and minus will definitely give you plus. So you now say minus 2s squared plus 2s squared. That means 0. They will cancel out. That one has gone. So you move to this next one. 3x minus 2x. Let me come again. 3x minus 2x. This minus and minus will definitely give you plus if they multiply. Minus and minus will give you plus. So you say 3x plus 2x. That will give you 5x. 3x plus 2x. That will give you 5x. So you are left with what? 5x here. 5x. Beautiful. Having done that, the last one here, you bring it down. You see, that's what we've been doing. We brought this down. Now we are bringing this down. If you remember, that's what we've been doing. So plus, we are bringing it down. 5. This one down. So we go through the same process again. Let's go. X in 5x. And if you remove x from 5x, you'll be left with what? 5. That's plus, because it's plus, we have the plus 5. Beautiful. If you now say 5 times this x, 5 times this x, it will give you what? 5x. Awesome. This 5 times this x will give you this 5x. So then 5 times 1 here, it's plus 5 times 1 will give you what? 5. Awesome. So the next thing is for us to subtract as usual. Subtract it. The line is not straight. Let me get a straight line here. Awesome. So we'll subtract both now. So if we now say 5x minus 5x, that will give us 0. 5 minus 5, that will give us 0 as well. That means we have come to the end. So this is now our divisor. This is our dividend. This is our quotient. In this, we don't have remainder. You can stay glued to this channel. In our next class, we are going to deal with the remainder theorem. You will understand that not all polynomial ends with 0, 0. There are some that they will have answers. Their remainder will be here. So for this one, we have 3x squared minus 2x plus 5, which is what? Quotient. You can always pause, rewind this video for clarification and understanding. Kindly help drop a comment if you have any issue or questions concerning any of our video. We will answer you as soon as we can. Don't forget to like this video and help subscribe to this YouTube channel, My Simple Math, and help press the notification bell so that you can always receive notification from us whenever we post a new video. Thank you.